first graders. And what have we discovered about that equal sign? Does the equal sign mean the answer?
No.
No. What does the equal sign mean? Ethan?
It's just the same on each side.
Perfect. Each side has to be the same. So we started by making 10, right? All the way different addends, or we could add 2 addends to make 10. And then we organized them to make sure that we had them all. And then we decided, but there's more ways to make 10. So we just came up with all the ways to make 10 that we could. And here we had to decide if they were true and false. And this is where we really started working with that equal sign. Doesn't necessarily mean the answer. It means it has to be the same. So on Friday, we started using our balance scale, right? So let's find that one. Let's jump ahead. We had some blank ones right here. And how many counters did we put on this side?
10.
10. So let's review this one. And let's put 10 counters in here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Perfect. Now we needed to balance that out so it would be the same. What did we do? How did we solve that? Francisco.
Because we put 10 on the other one.
Right, so we did 10 is the same as 10, right? And we put 10 over here. And when we put 10 over here, it balanced it out. What else did we do to balance it out? To make them the same? Aiden.
And then 9.
But let's check that, Aiden. We put 10 over here. So help me count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then we still have to put 9 more in there, Aiden. Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm finding 9 orange ones quickly. Okay, so we have 11 or 10 yellow and 9 orange because he said 10 and 9. Didn't make it the same, Aiden. So what can we do you think, to use our yellow and orange to make them the same? Do you want to come up here? Yeah, no? Okay. So who can help Aiden? How can we use yellow and orange to make 10? We have 10 on this side, and we need to balance it to make it the same. What do you have for an idea, Iris? So you're saying do 5 yellow and 5 orange? Do you think that would work, Aiden? What is 5 yellow, Aiden? Switch back to you. 5 yellow and 5 orange. Does that make it the same?
Yeah.
We have to get them the same. And that's what we did on Friday. So let's check what it's going to have us do today. Switching gears. Yep, switching gears. Imagine this balance scale. What could be on the other side of this equation? All right, first graders, what do you notice about the balance scale? What do you notice, Autumn?
That one side is down and one side is up.
So they want us to keep it that way, don't they? They want us to keep the 10 side down and this side up. Are they going to be equal equations?
No.
No, because they can't be equal if the 10 is down. So what could we put on this side? What could we put on that side? Francisco.
10.
But, okay, so
0.
what?
0.
We could put 0. So if we put 0 on this side, does it stay? Okay, so let's write that one down. Put 0 on this side. So that's one option. We could do 0. And it's not balanced because it's not the same. What else could we do? Jordan?
1.
We could do 1. Okay, come try it. See if it works. Did the 10 stay down?
Yes.
Okay, so they're not the same, so we could do 1. What about, you're just putting in numbers, which is fine. Could you do an equation on that side? Could anyone do an equation? Kale, what are you thinking?
3.
Okay, but that's not an equation. 3, a number sentence?
3.
let's try that. Let's do 3 plus 0 on that side. You come up here and try that. 3 plus 0. You want to take those out? Okay, so you have 3 orange plus 0. So let's write that down there. 3 plus 0 equals 10. True or false? False. Because it doesn't? Why not? You tell me.
Because 3 plus 0, you just have 3.
So does 3 equal 10?
No.
No, but it keeps our balance scale on equal, doesn't it? Let's try one more, first graders. You have to keep the 10 side down. Who can do one for us? Hunter, what are you going to do for an equation? You want to do 0 plus 0? Okay, come on up. Let's do 0 plus 0. Why did what? You want to switch it? I didn't hear you. 2 plus 0. Okay, I'll change it. You come up. 2 plus 0. Does 2 plus 0 equal 10? Put in 2. And 0 more. Does it equal 10? How do you know? And 2 does not equal 10, does it? And our balance scale is showing that. First graders, I said that was our last one, but here's a challenge. Who can do an equation that has 2 addends that aren't a 0? An equation that would have 2 addends that are not a 0. Who wants to try? Ethan, what are you thinking?
2 plus 0.
Try it. Ethan is wondering if 2 plus 2 would keep our equation unbalanced. So 2 plus 2 equals 10. 2 plus 2 is what, Ethan?
4.
4. So does 4 equal 10? No, it doesn't. And how do we know? Even if you didn't count, 2 plus 2 equals 4. How do you know that these are not the same?
Because 10 is bigger than 4.
And our balance scale is not
Balance.
balanced. Perfect.